Hello, this is Mary. I came back to do second half of the sourdough recipe that I was doing. It rose for 2.5 hours and doubled in size. So now I cut it in half and let it set for 10 minutes. And now I'm rolling them into round loaves, and then I will put them on a greased cookie sheet over here, like that one. I'm going to put it on there, and then it will bake, or it'll sit there and double in size again. And then I will be able to bake it off on the stone in the oven. And I will come back and show you what that looks like. Okay, they have risen. They actually have risen probably more than I wanted because they're now becoming twins, joining it. But I'm going to bake them right on that pan because they are ready to go, and I can't transfer them right now, so I'll show you when they're all baked up. So I had to cover the bread because it was getting a little bit too brown in the oven here. So I just put some foil over it, and then in a few minutes I'll be able to take it out. Okay, and there's the finished product. And I brushed a little butter on top just to make them look pretty and shiny, and they did bake together, as you can see. So I'm going to have to separate them once they go off, or not. But I don't think we're going to eat that much bread in one sitting. I'm planning on probably freezing one, and I also cut the tops while right before it was rising, so then it rose up and got baked for at 375. This bread baked for at 375 for 30 minutes, and it's a very pretty loaf. This is probably the best sourdough looking wise as I've done. So I'll probably use this recipe again because I like it the way it's come out, and I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, have a good evening.